So I started growing my hair around 4 years now, and pretty long, I can say. Yeah, they're pretty long, and they are that long that sometimes people do think that that's a woman walking by. Yeah, that's how it is. Most of my friends do think like you need to cut your hair, and I don't care about it. Like most of the members of my family think about it that too, but still. So there are two things that I wanna talk about today. First one is like you shouldn't care how someone thinks about you. You need to love yourself. That I've been trying to tell each and everyone through my post. It's been like around 1.5 months I left my Instagram. I don't know, like, and I'm not sure when I'll be back. I'll be back soon, but yeah. So the first thing is like people kept telling me I wanted to talk about this in a blog, but I thought that it's better to just create a video about it. So that's why I'm doing it in a video. So people kept telling me, my friends, my family, all over the place, that Fatin, you need to cut your hair, you're not looking good enough, like that, blah 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 blah, of course. And some of them are really laughing by now, of course, while seeing this video. So first thing first, I don't care about anyone's opinion until unless it's me. I'm not pinpointing anyone in this, but I want to let you know you shouldn't too. You shouldn't feel anything about other opinion when it comes to you. Of course, it's you who you want to love yourself first, and only then you can love someone else. Believe me, I've been through it. When I say that, you cannot find love until and unless you are finding love in yourself. And I hope that you will give a thought on this, of course. So yeah, I don't know when I'll be cutting my hair to answer that question of everyone, that when will be Fatin cutting his hair. So I don't know when that, like, my mind keeps switching that I should get an haircut and I should not. Maybe I'm just too moody. Yeah, that's the only reason. But still, maybe one day I'll do. I don't know when will that day be, but one day, of course. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is, and this is the major one, from last 2 years I've been getting a stare that how a man looks at a woman, and I feel pretty bad about it. It's not because they think of me as a woman. Of course not, it's not about that. It's about the stare that one man look at the other woman. And the funny part is the age didn't matter at all. It didn't matter the boy was 15 years old or 20 years old, or he was 25, 30, or he was from the age group around 60 to 70. That stare, it's something like you will feel I'm being checked out, and that's not in a good way at all. That's not in a good way. And I kept thinking about myself, that's the exact stare what woman goes through all her life. Am I really that person who I should look at a woman in this way, that she will feel embarrassed about her own body? Am I that man? We all may need to question this to ourselves. To all my friends and to everyone that who is looking at this video right now, we need to ask this question to ourselves. Am I that man who will make some woman, if I'm gonna look at her, will make my stare embarrassed to her? It's something that I really feel sad about. I don't know if it's I feel sad or I feel bad. Maybe it's just an anger, because if that stare is to my wife or to my daughter, I'm surely gonna punch that man no matter what. And I'm sure that you will too. But the question is it just about our daughters and our sisters and our mothers? Is it just limited to these relations? You need to think about yourself, to how to respect a woman, how to respect a girl. We need to learn that. We all need to learn that. I didn't say that it's bad looking at women or staring at her, but there is there is a word in Urdu, I can say that's a nazakat that you wanna look with. You have to let her feel how she is beautiful, not about how lust you got in your own mind. It's not how it works. You have to let her feel her beauty. You have to let her know. I do comment on girls too on their face with them directly. Some of my friends know that too. That I directly tell them that yeah, when they are with me and they are looking beautiful, I do tell them directly. But that never should be. It's not about how you comment on them. It's about how you let them feel about it. Am I making them feel bad about their body? Am I making feel them embarrassed about it? It's just about a man looking at the woman. So you better guys try to question yourself when you look at any other woman. I hope that this message will reach to someone, and someday, even if one man decides to question himself about this, I think this video will be enough, I can say. Yeah. And to all my lovely, beautiful friends, of course, who are ladies, who are girls, and the family members, I just love you. I never tell that in front of you, but I do. Yeah. And with all due respect, thank you. Well, this is not a Women's Day, of course, but still, as I always keep, you don't need a Women's Day to something just let your lady feel special, or let the women who are present in your life feel them special. So, yeah. So, till then, ciao, take care, Godspeed, and I don't know if it's this log or how I'm gonna put it, but you will say it surely. See you, Tata. Be safe, be home. See you next time.